talking, and these are like exes and old talking stages that keep like trying to get with me again, but they're all friends with my ex friends. And I basically told both of them, I was like, hey guys, like you guys are really great and everything, but like I can't do that to friends. Like I know he doesn't care, but I care, and I don't want to like be talking to his friends because I feel wrong about that. Like I don't feel like it's right for me to do that, and I just like want to respect his feelings, even though like that they're his friends, even though he doesn't care. Mind you, that like basically also like I just figured out that his other friend liked me last night, and I like told him like I was like, yo, like you're a nice person, and like we can be friends, but I don't want to like be talking to you because like your friend was like my first like love. Like I really liked him, like I cared for him so much, and I always will. And I just don't want to do that to him because it's messed up. And even though he doesn't care for you, I know he does care. But like I care. And I was so wrong about that. Like even like when I like gave this stuff like that, but he was doing this shit because that's what happened. Like that's what happened when I was talking to them. And I was like, yo, like that's why we stopped talking. That's like why we broke up. That's why we stopped talking. Like to both of them is because like I couldn't do that. That was not my jam. Okay, well that's all for right now. And I'll keep you guys posted if anything else happens. Just let me know. And also don't remember crusty lips. They're really chapped up behind the face. Last night I was on chapstick like really impressive. And they're already better. But like don't mind them. They're kind of nasty. It's fine though. I don't care.